It's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm starting a little mini series on self-care. Today I'm going to be discussing different ways that you can do self-care for free.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these.
For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah, and I am a mindset coach. And I truly believe that shifting your mindset is the way to creating a new life that you want and deserve. So different forms of self-care can be meditation, relaxation, being mindful of your food choices, working on your hygiene, learning, being active or working out, doing the things that you enjoy, and also being in nature. So with meditation, that creates a mind and body connection, which is so important because then you'll be mindful of how you're feeling. It also creates calmness, and depending on when you do meditate in the day, I personally do it in the morning. That can allow you to be ready for your day and just be ready to begin the day on a good note of being connected, being calm, and just ready for anything that comes your way. As far as relaxation, taking a nap, taking a bath, watching videos, just literally just relaxing and watching Hulu or Netflix. Watching TV is not a bad thing as long as you're being mindful of how much TV you're watching. And also when you're watching it, try to be mindful of what you're watching. So do your best to watch more videos or TV shows that you can learn from. Being active or working out is a great way to take care of yourself. When you are being active, it shifts the chemicals in your brain and it allows you to lower your anxiety, lower your depression, and it also helps you get a good night's rest. So go on YouTube for different workout videos and yoga as well. I personally watch Yoga with Adriene. She's my favorite. I absolutely love her videos, and I've been doing those every single day. Walking, hiking, biking, and also stretching are all forms of self-care. Get up, get active. If you feel like you're in a funk, it's good to get up and don't allow yourself to just like be a couch potato. And you don't only do self-care when you feel like you're stuck or in a rut. It's every day that you should be taking care of yourself. At least spending 10 minutes a day is very important to maintain the happiness and joy. Your food choices, oh my gosh, your food choices are so important. Eat more plants. I'm not telling you have to be vegan, although you should look into it. I highly recommend. Eat more plants and limit your dairy consumption, limit your meat consumption. A lot of times you're eating more than what is necessary. So eat more plants and don't do diets. This is just my personal opinion, but diets are temporary. I personally have gone on diets, and I also know other people who have gone on diets. They've always gone back. I've always gone back. You end up binging on the food that you were forcing yourself to stay away from. Whereas if you slowly crowd out the not so healthy food with healthier food, then that will turn into a habit. And sustainability is what I'm all about. I want everything that I share with people to be something that is sustainable. So I don't give out things that you only do for a short period of time or things that are only going to work temporarily. These are things that you do daily, and do as much of it as you can daily, and just take care of yourself. There's also desserts that are healthy, and most likely you have those ingredients in your house already. Be mindful of what you put in your body. Now, hygiene is very important, and I don't know about you, but getting in the shower is like such love. I was cold today and I went and took a shower. Taking a shower or a bath, brushing your teeth every day, brushing your tongue every day. A lot of people don't realize it, but you are supposed to brush your tongue. So make sure you're brushing it. Washing your face and washing and doing your hair as well. Such a good time. Doing my hair is on my list of things that I enjoy doing, and that is one of those things that I do if I'm starting to feel as though like I'm just stuck. And doing my hair just makes me feel good because then I start looking good, and it's just a good time. Being in nature is scientifically proven to help you, so it's a form of self-care. Get out in nature, lay in the grass. Definitely recommend laying down a blanket first and being mindful of the ants that possibly are around because those fire ants can bite. But lay a blanket down and lay in the grass and allow your hands to just touch the grass directly. Climb a tree or just put your hands on a tree and get that energy. Trees are filled with amazing energy, so get it. Go on a hike where you're surrounded with nature. It's such a good time. Looking around and seeing the beauty on this planet and appreciating it, definitely a form of self-care. So learning, oh my gosh, when you're feeding your brain, that is a form of self-care, and it's so important. So write down the things that you've always wanted to learn, and little by little do those things. You can go on YouTube to learn. You can go on Google. Google, if you didn't know, has courses for free, so check it out. I used it for my website. I got some information from the course and I directly applied it to my website, and I really feel like my website is looking better, and I know that I will be able to see some benefits from it as well, because they showed me how to set it up to where I can make sure that I'm benefiting from my site. So last but not least, doing the things that you truly enjoy. Make a list of what makes you happy, what's guaranteed to make you feel joy and put a smile on your face. Do those things, but also add different things that you've never tried before that you may possibly be interested in. This is going to help you move forward and not get stuck in a rut, because I don't know about you, but I used to deal with depression, tremendous depression, and making my list and doing those things is what helps me. Like, you can, if you've dealt with depression, you know what it feels like when you're starting to get sucked in to depression. You're starting to just like, it's like slow, and then it just bam, it hits you. So as soon as you start to feel yourself slowly going into depression, that is when it's really important for you to do the things that are on that list, because that's going to stop you from going in. I'm not telling you to push your feelings aside or to not feel any emotions that you're feeling. I'm just telling you that it's in your best interest to not get sucked in, because sometimes it takes a while to get out. It's a comfortable but uncomfortable position to be in, and so it's important for you to be mindful of that feeling and do your best to stay out of it. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you are watching this. Remember to take care of yourself daily. Even 10 minutes a day makes a difference. So get up and do what you need to do to take care of yourself every single day. And always remember to be love, be peace, spread love everywhere you go, and always, always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these
Drink water every single day. I didn't say that in the beginning or anywhere in there, but drinking water is also a form of self-care. So drink as much water as possible every single day. I drink at least 2 of these a day, and a lot of times it's 3, but I'm usually guaranteed to get at least 2 of those in. So that, I believe, is like 24 ounces. Drink water, hydrate. You will see a difference. See ya.